All right, this is for real now. All right.
That one wasn't for real?
Yeah, no, that one wasn't. So here we have a problem. Is this one where you just have to write the equation? Is it distance, rate, and time, or is it a work problem?
It's a work problem.
It's going to be a work problem because you have 3 different pipes working together to accomplish one particular job. So when you write out this information, just like we've done before, you write out the individual components first, and then you're going to look at what happens whenever they work together. So when we did this problem before, you've got your time, which is the total time for individual pieces and then together, and then you have the portion that is done per hour. So let's put in what we know. What is the total time for pipe 1 if it does the job by itself?
20 hours.
20 hours. What about pipe 2?
15 hours.
What about pipe 3?
6.
We don't know for pipe 3. We know that if we were to put all 3 pipes together, it would take us 6 hours total, right?
Mm-hmm.
Now, how do we get the portion per hour? How did we do this before?
It's 1/20.
The reciprocal, 1 over 20, 1 over 15, 1 over x, and 1 over 6.
Does it matter if you put the x at the end?
You can't put the x at the end because x is not the together.
Well, I mean, if you went pipe 1, pipe 2 together, and then x.
See, but then you got to get messed up. The bottom part always needs to be at the together.
Okay.
That way, when we go to write the equation, you're adding up. Do it this way. Because see, when you have it set up this way, you're adding all of this stuff right here to equal the portion that's done when you work together.
Right.
So it's really the best way of setting that up. So that means that in 1 hour, pipe 1 fills up a 20th of the pool. Pipe 2 would fill up a 15th of the pool. I don't know the portion that pipe 3 fills up, but I know that when they all work together, in 1 hour they would have filled up 1/6 of the pool. Do y'all agree? So now you have to identify the LCD here. What's the LCD?
60.
It's going to be 60x. If you look at 20, you want to see, do any of these other guys go into 20? 15 doesn't go into 20, so you use the next multiple of 20, 40. Well, that doesn't work with 15. How about 60? 15 goes into 60. 6 would go into 60. And they also have to include this guy right here of x. Now what I would do is I'd multiply everything times the LCD. So I think that'd be a little bit faster. So multiply everything times the LCD of 60x. Pay attention to your x's. Okay. So how's this first part simplify? What does that give you?
3x.
So we get 3x plus what? 4x plus
60x.
just 60 because the x's would reduce. Equals what? 10x. All right. So if I combine like terms, I get 7x plus 60 equals 10x. And that means that 60 equals how much x? You subtract 7x, you get 3x, and that means x equals what? Now what does that mean? What does it mean that x equals 20?
That's how much we pipe 3.
That's how long it would take the third pipe to fill the pool alone. Okay, so we can just state that. It would take 20 hours for pipe 3 to fill the pool by itself. Okay. Questions about that?